is going to be, will continue to be, it's going to become a greater place than what it is today in the railroad story. Because, as I say, this is Mecca today, and as this thing goes along, Roanoke will become very, very important.
We hope that you will soon be living in Roanoke. We just hope that you don't take these. We hope you enjoyed our dinner and our program, and we hope that we'll be able to...
That for the first time, we're getting a grip on our business, in the railroad business. Railroad business is very much spread out. You can't see it. It's not like a hardware store where you can see all your activities right around you, but it's a long factory. The N&W Railroad today is a factory that stretches for thousands and thousands of miles, and it's only 4 feet 8.5 inches wide.